The management and officials of the National Rugby League, players, friends, members of the media, I bring the greetings of the Honorable Prime Minister for this occasion. In fact, he was supposed to be here, but because of the prior commitment, he couldn't make it. And he has sent his best wishes to the team, both teams. But equally, I am privileged and delighted to be here to do the honors in presenting your jersey. When I was mayor in Ba, when I used to wear the mayor chain, I used to say that this chain comes with responsibility. And today, exactly, that is the situation with all of you. The jersey that you're going to wear today comes with pride and responsibility. And you have to ask yourself, that what that jersey means to you that you're going to wear today. I believe that is the most important thing that you will have to understand. It may be for you, it may be for your family, it may be for your league officials, but above all, it is for the country. And for us, as a government, this game is very important. Because for the first time, it's happening. And we have to set the record straight, and the answer is that we must win. So can we make it or no? Yes. Louder, louder. Can we make it or no? Yes. That's the way. We'll be at the ground, we will be cheering with all the cabinet ministers, with our Prime Minister, and we want to see that when you come back, you come as the victorious team. So with those few words, once again, I want to wish you all the very best for the games ahead, and may God bless you all. Vinaka.
Jersey number 2, Cecilia Lindono.
Number 3, PMXIII. Number 4, none other than the captain, Luke Nandulitao. And number 5, the beautiful Ropate Thomas.